In a world where safety first is more than just a motto, rather one of the most important parameters for buying cars, finding the perfect vehicle that combines performance with top-notch safety features is crucial. And guess what? We have got you back. In this video, your AutoGenie presents the top 8 cars proudly made in India, all boasting flawless safety ratings according to the rigorous Global NCAP Standards. The all-new Tata Harrier and Tata Safari facelifts are first on our list. They have received 5-star Global NCAP safety ratings in adult occupant protection and child occupant protection with the highest scores for both compared to all the other models on this list. Plus, their body shells have been rated as stable, meaning they are capable of withstanding even heavier loads. Both Harrier and Safari come with 6 airbags, electronic stability control and ISO fix as standard. And depending on the variant, they also get advanced safety features like hill start assist, a 360-degree camera, tire pressure monitoring system and ADAS. The 2023 Tata Harrier costs Rs 15.49 to Rs 24.49 lakhs and the Tata Safari has a price range of Rs 16.19 to Rs 25.49 lakhs ex-showroom. The Volkswagen Virtus and Skoda Slavia share the next spot. They can be regarded as the safest sedans made in India, having a full 5-star rating in both adult and child safety. Both are based on the MQB A0iN platform, which is specially made for India. This platform is up to 95% localized as well. Their body shells have also received a stable rating capable of withstanding additional loadings. Both sedans are equipped with dual front airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, 3-point seat belts and seatbelt reminder for all passengers, and ISO fix child seat anchorages as standard. Virtus ranges from Rs 11.48 lakhs to Rs 19.3 lakhs, whereas Slavia starts at Rs 10.89 lakhs and goes all the way up to Rs 19.12 lakhs ex-showroom. The Volkswagen Skoda SUV twins have also earned full 5-star ratings in the Global NCAP crash test. But note that their adult occupant protection score is slightly lower than that of their sedan counterparts. The SUVs also share the same platform as the sedans. The safety features in these SUVs include dual front airbags, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD, 3-point seat belts and seatbelt reminder for all passengers, ISO fixed child seat anchorages and tire pressure monitoring system. Volkswagen Taigun ex-showroom price starts at Rs 11.62 lakhs and its top variant costs Rs 19.36 lakhs. Skoda Kushaq's starting price is slightly lower, but its top variant is a bit more expensive than Taigun. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, it helps us a lot to keep bringing you great content. The Hyundai Verna is the first ever Hyundai model made in India to achieve full 5-star safety ratings in both child and adult safety according to the Global NCAP crash test. However, there is a catch. Its body shell and footwell area have been rated as unstable, meaning they are unable to withstand further loadings. Its safety kit includes 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ABS with EBD and 3-point seat belts for all passengers. The Verna's top spec variant also features advanced driver assistance systems such as forward collision warning, blind spot alert and lane keep assist. The last but most significant parameter of the Global NCAP crash test is the body shell integrity. So it is worth noting that despite having fewer safety features, the Virtus Slavia Duo have better occupant protection scores and a stable body shell compared to the Hyundai sedan. The ex-showroom prices for the Hyundai Verna ranges from Rs 10.97 to Rs 17.38 lakhs. The last one on our list is the Mahindra Scoprio N. This SUV achieved a 5-star Global NCAP rating in adult safety, but it only got 3 stars in child safety rating. Its body shell integrity and footwell area were assessed as stable and capable of withstanding additional loadings though. The Mahindra SUV is equipped with dual front airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, ABS with EBD and ISO fix child seat anchorages as standard safety features. Prices start at Rs 13.26 lakhs with the top model costing Rs 24.54 lakhs ex-showroom. These are the top 8 safest cars made in India which you can buy right now. While these were tested by Global NCAP, we can expect many more mass-market Indian cars to be tested by the recently introduced Bharat NCAP in the future. So, out of these, which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and until we meet again, drive safe, adios.